Hey YouTubers, we have a Neptune electric dryer that isn't drying the clothes, so we're going to pull the lint filter, and we just pulled off a lot of lint. I don't think that's been cleaned for a long time. Here's the area where the filter goes, and it's got a lot of lint in there too. So we're taking a straightened coat hanger and we're going to put a little hook on it, and we're pulling the lint up and then grabbing it and just pulling it out of that hole. We're going to try and get as much lint out as we can. But dryers are all about airflow, so you got to use whatever you can to get the air to flow. This is using an old brush to clean the area just forward of the lint filter. It's area where the air flows through. And I'm also cleaning this thing here, which is the moisture sensor. I'm using a wire brush to do that, to get it really clean. And I got a lot of it out, but we have to do a little bit more. And then once you've done all that, you can start up the dryer, and you'll notice that a lot of lint will be blown out of the dryer vent. So I set it for heat, turn it on, and video, and please subscribe to our channel when you get a chance, and also click the little bell notification button so we can send you weekly videos on all the different ways of fixing appliances around your home and saving you lots of money. So thanks again for watching, and please also press the like button for our video if this was helpful to you. Feel free to contact me at the email listed below, which is scottthefixitguy@yahoo.com, with any of your questions.